Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the new baby cocktail we have brought from the same shop. The reason is my cocktail flew away day before yesterday. So I want to warn you not to let your cocktail outside or take it outside. My cocktail had never flown away before, but it happened the day before yesterday. It was an unfortunate coincidence. My cockatiel used to fly back to me when I called its name, so this loss is especially hard for me. I cried a lot and I'm still deeply missing my cockatiel. Found it really hard to make this video as I would keep starting and stopping the record because it was so emotional for me. We only had our cockatiel for 1 month. Even our new baby cocktail make familiar sound. It bring back memories and I start crying. I have also uploaded some pictures of my birds in the community section, so please check them out. If you think this video is helpful to you, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for your understanding and support during this tough time. Watch this video till the end. This video includes some of the last footage I have of my cocktail before it flew away.